Hey everybody, I'm here today to talk to you about a Vtech corded phone with no dial tone. I'll be going over some easy fixes to try first, and this will be a tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. If you have a Vtech corded phone like this and it is no dial tone, these are 4 things that you should try out, and hopefully one of these 4 things works, okay? You can sort of try them out in any order that you want, but I'm just going to say them in the order that I wrote them down, but you can try them out in any order that you want for the most part. All right, starting off with number one. Number one is make sure the telephone cord is plugged in properly. Now, by that I mean, if you look on your phone, there's going to be a telephone cord that connects to the phone over here, okay? And you want to make sure it's plugged in properly over there, and then you want to make sure the other end is plugged in properly into your landline phone jack for your home as well. So you want to make sure both ends of the telephone cord are plugged in properly, because that's just going to give you like the actual telephone service. So make sure it's plugged in properly. You can even unplug it and plug it back in just to sort of ensure that it's like nice and snugly clicked in place. But yeah, make sure it's plugged in properly. That's number one. Moving on to number two. Number two is make sure the earpiece is plugged in properly. By that I mean this over here. This is what I'm referring to. And if you take a look over here, you have a plug that goes into the actual handset earpiece, and then you have a plug that goes into the actual like base, okay? Make sure both ends of that plug of that cord are plugged in properly. And like I said, you can unclick it and click it back in place on both ends just to make sure it's plugged in properly, but make sure that's in place properly as well. If that is all good, you can move on to number 3. So moving on to number 3. Number 3 is try a different phone with the same landline phone jack. So basically, if this phone is not working and it's plugged into a landline phone jack, then you can remove this phone and plug a different phone into the same landline phone jack for your house. Now, if the other phone is working using that landline phone jack, and this phone is not working using that landline phone jack, then obviously it's a problem with the phone or a component of the phone. Meaning, it might be the cord that's attached to it if you use 2 separate cords. You know, like I'm talking about this cord over here. If you use 2 separate cords, it might be the cord that's attached to it. It might be this cord over here that's not allowing you to hear anything. It might be the actual phone. There's many components, but you can narrow it down. So, you know, try this cord with the phone that works on that landline phone jack that you now know works. Try this cord, and you know, you can see if it's the cord or not, and you can sort of narrow it down from there. But try experimenting with a different phone on that same landline phone jack, and then, you know, you can sort of narrow it down from there to see what the problem might be. Last but not least is number 4. Number 4 is very easy. Number 4 is replace the batteries. So this is not so likely to be the cause, because if the batteries were low or running out, you would probably see more issues. But yeah, you know, I mean, just to be safe, you know, you might just try replacing the batteries with brand new fresh batteries. See if that makes a difference. It's not likely going to be the case where it is the cause of the problem, but it's worth a try. So give it a try and see if that helps you out. And that's basically it. Hopefully one of these things solves your problem. And that's truly it. Oh, I've got nothing else to say for this video tutorial, so we're going to roll the outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.